Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I will be doing a video on how to take off my lace front. My lace front is a little raggedy, so today I've been walking around with my headband, my little headscarf that I got from my mom. It's time to take this wig off because I am going to get it braided. So why not do a video on how to properly remove it without ruining your edges. See? It's time to go. So let's get this wig off. Taking my wig off because I'm going on vacation and I'm gonna get my hair braided. I don't want to have a lace front on while going in the beach with the salt water and the pool. For one, I don't want to ruin my wig, and for two, I'm not going to keep gluing a wig on, and I'm just not doing that. So taking it off for a little while. When I come back, I'm getting a whole different wig put on, so stay tuned for that. Don't mind my eyes. I am beyond tired. I've been running around all day. Had to get my nails and stuff done. See? My son and my boyfriend. So I had to get my nails and stuff done. And I just been running around all day and the girl is tired. I'm tired. Alright, I'm putting gloves on because I don't want to ruin my nails with the alcohol. I just got my nails done today. So I'm going to be using 91% alcohol. I have some alcohol in the spray and a rag. Now let's get this party started. So I'm going to use this to keep spraying the area. I'm going to start this side first. That's if my damn spray bottle on the spray. So I'm spraying directly on the lace so it can set in without getting alcohol. Oh no, the spray bottle ain't gonna work. I ain't trying to get alcohol in my damn eye. That ain't gonna work. We're gonna dampen this rag, and we're gonna go like this. It was already lifting some, so it shouldn't be much of a process. I'm just gonna press it in to the lace front. I like the smell of alcohol, but I damn sure don't need it in my eyes. I'm gonna keep pressing it in. And then we're going to remove the stocking cap that's under. And I got to wash my hair and all this stuff. I really don't feel like doing none of the above. But I'm tired. I'm so tired. And I got to wake up early tomorrow morning to get my hair braided. So another day of waking up at the crack of dawn. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. It's my kids playing the game. Clearly I'm tired and they're not. You see? Yeah, it looks so weird. And just like that, The lace front is up. Look. Look, guys. Alright, so we got that off. That was easy. And it didn't take that long. Now let's get this off, which, oh, done. Done. And my edges are fine. Let's clean this shit off. This glue. Done. Done. I'm gonna take my braids out and then I'll come back when I'm finished. Alright, my loves, I am back. As you can see, I took my braids out. Yes, I do have hair under that wig. I am not bald. See, and my hair is natural. I have no chemicals in my hair. This is just my hair texture. As you can see, I still have, oh, come on, camera. My edges are just fine. Just dirty. I'm still red from scrubbing. But as you can see, my edges are just fine. Now, I'm going to wash my dirty hair so I can get it ready. So my hairstylist told me that with my wig, I'm going to wash it, condition it real good, let it air dry, and bag it because I can still use it. It's still good. And I'm gonna get a different wig when I come back. I think I want to bob and go a little brighter. So guys, that sums up the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and you can even leave a comment down below if you would like to. Let me know some more video ideas of what you would like to see on my channel. And that's all. So guys, until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.